So now that I've smoked my salmon, you're going to get some bones in these fish as well. So I'm going to show you how to remove those. When you get in here, you can see these little bones in here. They're going to be poking up. So some people say to remove them before you cook, but after you've cooked them, if you come through, you can pull them out with your fingers or you can pull them out with the tweezers. You can pull those out. It's quicker with the tweezers than your finger. At least I think it is. And they'll pull right out. So, and you can just run your finger along these and pull them out. You can come through with the tweezers and pull them out. And it goes fairly quick, so you're just going to go down the length of the fish. You'll pull these out, obviously not dropping them on here because they're going to stick. And you will have no bones. That way when you give them to your kids or whoever, or your wife, or your husband, they don't have to worry about complaining about the bones. So hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe.